Can't believe it, guys. She finally flew over and got on her little loop. We call it a loop-de-loo. Don't we, Chicken Wing? I can't believe you did that. I gave her a little sunflower seed. That is so cool. I love it. Yeah, she's finally using this stand. I figured I'm sick of being a tree. Let's see if she can climb all over this and do something. And she is. Proud of you, Chicken Wing. You're really something. Woo, you're going up higher. Let me take you higher. Alright, guys. Subscribe to Chicken Wing Life.